Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the Snip and Sketch tool on your Windows PC. So if you've been seeing Snip and Sketch on your PC, I'm going to show you guys the use of it and how you can use it on your PC. So it's very simple and easy. So to use your Snip and Sketch, you can use it for your screenshot. So we already have the sniping tool for screenshot. I think I have a tutorial on this, how you can use this to take screenshot on your screen, save it, and even copy it. I'm going to show you guys how to use this Snip and Sketch tool as well. So let's search Snip and Sketch. So when I tap the S and N, I'm getting the Snip and Sketch here. So let me just open it. Good. So when you want to take a screenshot of a particular page, you just tap on the new here, and then you drag the rectangle. So if I want to the full page, I just drag the full page like this. You can see something like this. You get it? So I'm going to have the full page here. So if you want to save it, you just come here, look at this clipboard here, save. You can just tap on Ctrl+S as a shortcut. You can copy it here. So let me copy it and let me come to WordPad. And then let me Ctrl+V, and you can see I've pasted it here. So yeah, and you can also edit your screenshot straight away here, and then you save it. You can see you have these things here. You can add a signature or whatever. You can use these things. These are colors to edit your screenshots using the Snip tool, and then after that you can save it. You can zoom here. You get it? So that's it on the Snip and Sketch tool on your Windows. You can use it to take screenshots. After taking your screenshot, you can save it and also edit it as well. You can share it here straight away if you want to. So that's it about the Snip and Sketch tool on your Windows. So if you don't want to use your sniping tool, you can use this for your screenshot. That's it for the video. Once again, peace.